Imagine an AI that understands not just English, but your exact mother tongue, your accent, even your local context. And it's built in India, for India. This is BharatGen, India's sovereign generative AI initiative that aims to power everything from governance to agriculture, education, healthcare, and startups in 22 plus Indian languages. BharatGen is India's first large, government funded multimodal large language model initiative designed specifically for Indian languages and Indian use cases. Launched by the Government of India under the Ministry of Science and Technology, it is led by IIT Bombay under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems and funded by the Department of Science and Technology. In simple terms, BharatGen is the backbone AI platform that will power India first apps, tools, and services across text, speech, and images. The core vision of BharatGen is AI sovereignty and Atmanirbhar Bharat in the field of generative AI. Instead of depending only on foreign models and foreign data, BharatGen focuses on Bharatiya datasets or content rooted in India's culture, languages, and real world needs. The goal is to create open, foundational AI models that are multilingual, multimodal, and accessible as a public good so that government, startups, researchers, and developers can all build on top of them. Let's break down what makes BharatGen special, multilingual and multimodal. It supports 22 scheduled Indian languages, with a strong focus on low resource languages like Santali and Manipuri, and works across text, speech, and images. Built on India centric data, the models are trained on India focused datasets to understand our names, places, idioms, government schemes, agriculture terms, cultural references, and more. Open and ecosystem driven. BharatGen is designed as an open platform to grow an Indian AI ecosystem or with research collaboration, open source foundations, and public good model access. Secure and compliant. It is aligned with India's data protection and digital laws, including the Digital Personal Data Protection Act and the Emerging Digital India Act, so that AI innovation stays within India's regulatory and sovereignty framework. So, what can BharatGen actually do in real life? Governance and public services. Chatbots and assistants that explain government schemes, forms, and services in your local language in a tone you relate to. Healthcare and education. AI doctors and tutors that talk in the patient's or student's own language, improving trust, learning outcomes, and access in remote regions. Agriculture and rural support. Farmer facing assistants that answer questions about crops, weather, and government support in regional dialects, not just Hindi or English. Startups and industry. Indian startups can plug into BharatGen's models to build domain specific copilots, customer support bots, content tools, and analytics for Indian markets at scale. BharatGen is not just a model, it's an ecosystem play. It is executed through a network of around 25 technology innovation hubs, with several upgraded to technology translational research parks, and backed by hackathons, funded research positions, and AI courses to create India's next wave of AI talent. This means more Indian developers, students, and researchers building cutting edge AI from Bharat, for Bharat, and for the world. If you're a developer, researcher, policymaker, or startup founder, BharatGen is a huge opportunity. Follow the official BharatGen channels, explore their documentation and hackathons, and start thinking. What will you build on India's own sovereign AI stack? If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into India's AI revolution.